Let's begin by explaining what led up to England's power to be able to claim land in the Americas and the formation of the southern colonies. Spanish ships carrying gold and silver they had found in America were being attacked by English pirates. Sir Francis Drake, one of the pirates, would take these treasures back to Queen Elizabeth. King Philip wanted to stop England from attacking their ships and stealing their treasure, so he built the Spanish Armada. In 1588, he sent out his fleet of ships to attack England, but England was prepared and defeated the Spanish Armada. And as they say, the rest is history. Since there were so many people in England, people started moving to the southern colonies like Virginia and Maryland. Now we get into talking about the southern colonies. This is the timeline of when they were founded. Virginia, 1607. Maryland, 1632. The Carolinas, 1663, North and South Carolina, 1729, and Georgia, 1732. Virginia was founded in 1607 by John Smith and other colonists including John Ralphie, located by the London Company at Jamestown. They went there because they thought they would find gold, but didn't. So the Powhatan Indians helped the colonists survive by trading food. The colony of Maryland began in 1632 when King Charles I of England gave land in North America to Cecil Calvert. In 1649, the Maryland government passed the Toleration Act, which meant to promise that all Christians could worship freely. In 1663, Charles II formed a new colony south of Virginia called Carolina. The southern area had good farmland and more excellent harbors. The northern part of Carolina had few harbors and was not as good for farming. In 1729, Carolina became two colonies, North and South Carolina. Because of the rich soil from the tidewater, colonists started plantations. Over time, colonists had to move to where the Powhatan Indians lived because they didn't have any more room for plantations by the ocean. This caused conflicts between the colonists and the Powhatan Indians, which led to the Powhatan Wars. You may have heard the stories of Pocahontas. She was the daughter of Chief Powhatan, the leader of the Powhatan Confederacy. This is a picture of Powhatan tribe leaders today. The long growing season and warm, damp climate of the southern colonies meant tobacco and rice could grow well. Planters found that tobacco and rice needed more work than other crops. Over time, planters chose to use enslaved Africans for almost all of the work on plantations. Pig means pig farms, corn means corn, leaf means tobacco, rice means rice, and bucket means indigo. The importance of slavery in the southern colonies changed over time. In the early 1600s, indentured servants did much of the hard work on plantations. The number of plantations grew, however. Southern planters used enslaved Africans as laborers. Laborers means a person doing unskilled manual work for wages. Indentured means bind someone by an indenture as an apprentice or laborer.